मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैं कोई स्विस विच हूँ।
तो हम चाय ढूंढ रहे हैं, वहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है।
You've been chosen as the undercover agent in this alpine mission. Subtly disrupt the day's plans.
Meet the three horses. Yeah, have just about an hour. Never call Simon. Rush to the tree where spring officially begins. Meet the three horses. घोड़ा तो मुझे बना के रखा है अभी. And by now I have just about an hour, if not lesser, left. And I just don't want to call Simon. But at a point, it's feeling like that's my only option, and maybe I have to call Simon. I read the clue for the 1000th time. And then I see something. It doesn't say a tree, it says the tree. The official tree. And there it is, loud and clear. I run, okay? I run with all the energy I have. It's all uphill. And it's a steep uphill walk. And I'm like, oh my God. I go, I run. Barely have any time left now, yeah? Finally. It's like, you know that moment? I finally find the tree and I still can't see horses. I don't see those horses, so I'm running, and I'm like, where are the horses? Where are the horses? And then the funniest thing happens. And I see these three people sitting, and I go and ask them, are you horses? Are you horses? And he's sitting like that and he's like, no, I'm cow. Three horses, Jesus Christ. Are you three horses?
Okay. ये तो वर्ड ही नहीं पढ़ा जा रहा. Get to Con Batchley, where a lady in red,
Lady Gaga,
puts you to the final test. Build your boat with heart and skill. Shape it strong, not just for the thrill.
we have to build a boat in 2 hours. First thing on agenda is to hop onto the right bus and make it to the right spot. ये 81 चोर ये लेनी है, मैं वो लेनी है, वो वाली.
So we have already reached the station, and now we see that there's a 6 to 7 minute walk to our final destination, and I have a very good feeling. Again, मुझे ना good feelings बहुत आ रही हैं जब मैं ऐसा होता है ना कि शायद सही हूँ यार. Today is a good bright sunny day. 6 minutes walk, right?
नहीं आशी उस तरफ ही है.
Oh, sorry.
But who's the lady in red?
You.
Lady in red. Oh, lady in red. Lady in red. Hello, lady in red. What do you have for us?
I'm a bit curious to see what is there inside, but let's see.
Oh, it's the boat making kit.
Oh, so we open the bag and we see that there is boat supplies.
Amazing. Thank you. And now we are walking down the forest, and what we see here is honestly magical. It's literally straight out of fairy tale, and that's just the magic of Switzerland. It's so nice today. The sun is so beautiful.
Your journey is not done. There's one more test. Team up in pairs. Give your best. Locals await on a port that small.
और मेरे दिमाग में आया पिकल बॉल होगा.
Is it pickleball? I don't know.
Quick and sharp feet.
और उतने में चलता है मेरा दिमाग.
Yes.
केबल कार से उतरते वक्त अवेज ने पूरा एक वो लिया है, वीडियो लिया है. तो मैंने अवेज को भागते भागते कहा कि अवेज अरे अब उसे एक मिनट दिखाना वो वीडियो एक तो चेक करना वो भी दिखा भी नहीं रहा हमें दिखा
अरे चीटी का दिन नहीं दिख रहा।
अरे दिख गया, ये देख।
हमें एक कोट दिख गया
अरे ऊपर से
वही है वो शायद मिल गया
ऊपर से वीडियो काम आया है।
Lot of contradictory emotions. I also have to save my team. At the same time, I have to betray them. So it is not an easy decision. I have to put on my best acting chops.
We're
He's there,
coming.
What is it? What is it?
Not done.
Oh, okay. Submit your Polaroids. Guys,
Polaroids,
Ashman.
Polaroids.
As we open this clue, it says, "Oh, submit your Polaroids." I'm like, "Cool, okay, I'll get them out." I'm like, "Oh, it must be my jacket." No, it's not in my jacket. It's in the bag, and I'm like, "It's nowhere to be found."
So I actually steal the photographs from Ayushman's jacket pocket. I just quietly put my hand there, take it out, and I keep it under my thigh.
Ashman, if you've lost it.
If you've lost it now. I'm in shock. I'm upset, but I do not want to shout at your Aish. He's trying to find them. I don't know where he's put them.
Ayushman?
No.
No, this.
We can't find the Polaroids.
Yeah.
The photographs have vanished.
Yeah, just vanished. Simple.
I am furious with Ayushman at this point because I can only see one reason why we have lost the Polaroids. It's because he's careless.
I'm gonna cry.
I'm feeling actually very, very bad for him.
This time it's not a mistake, it's a disaster. The photographs have disappeared.
I think you're looking for this.
To finish the task, recover all snaps but one. A spy amongst you has laid this trap for fun. Oh!
And I'm just like, "Oh my God! Thank God it's not my fault. Thank God someone has stolen them. It's not my fault that I just dropped it somewhere."
You guys, you've done this to us?
What? How the hell?
Who's the
Oh my
spy?
God! I got so stressed.
On the trail where spies stole the show, the missing photo shall reveal. Are they a friend of...
Honestly, I have no idea who it is. I'm just relieved that it's actually just a part of the task.
Walk the Bond experience.
You would not make it in the CIA or the Majesty's Secret Service. I have not done this.
And I feel it's not a spy, it's a traitor. Any day I would love to have this Bond experience.
Oye, chalo, chalo.
This way.
To a chair that's broken yet boldly formed, stand tall on one leg, defy the norm. Great day to wear a short dress, Barkha. And with that, I have completed the challenge with just 10 minutes at hand. And then I checked museums near me.
Okay, there's a Red Cross Museum, 8-minute walk. Okay, we still have 7 minutes to walk. One last time, I'm gonna run.
And I run and I run and I run. On the last minute of the challenge, can you believe it? And with that, it's all over and I'm like, yeah!
Walk the Bond experience.
Okay.
One of us has betrayed the team.
There's one photo here. So Ari is not the spy. That means because no. So first we find Arman's Polaroid, and I'm like, okay, fine. Now he's in my team. Now I know he's safe. And then we find my Polaroid, and like, okay, he thinks I'm safe.
One photo.
It's Ayushmann.
Ayushmann, not the spy.
Now we're literally running around the entire exhibit, just frantically searching. And my dad is telling me, search under this, search under this, search under this. And my mom is just running around everywhere, and it's pandemonium. Okay, the spy is mom. So, and then finally we find a group selfie. So that does not help at all.
No. What?
Oh, little mom. Dad,
you're the spy.
Give the L chance.
Dad.
Mean dad.
Parmeet has managed to fool me, and I am shocked that I was taken in so completely.
Honestly, he did a great job. I have to admit.
Yeah. It's almost like he's an actor.
Oh yeah,
Professional.
He should probably do that for a living, no? I think he should try.
In another life.
And now हमारे दिमाग का बल्ब बच चुका है. Now we know what we are supposed to do because we have our board supplies and we see the kids doing what we are supposed to do. So now अब हमने बिछाया अपना सब कुछ सामान नीचे और हम बैठ गए.
So Ashi and I, being the creative geniuses that we are, have done a brilliant job with getting the boats ready. We've made sure that we use as much glue as possible to make sure it doesn't fall off or break. And I think they look pretty cute.
सीधा यहीं डालते ना, फ्लो बहुत तेज है.
We've gone to the stream and
Placed
left
the boats.
Yeah, the little boats in the stream, and they're just flowing down so beautifully.
My boat is sailing. So we are just following our boats down the stream. हम भाग रहे हैं कूद रहे हैं और वो बीच में अटके जा रही थी बार-बार और हमारी सांस भी अटक रही थी.
Ashi's boat has misbehaved multiple times, and yeah, I'm just hoping it makes it down so that we don't have to start from scratch.
Yes. Oh no no no!
Oh Ashi! Oh God!
Oh no!
Go, my child, go! Woohoo!
हमारा day 2 task
Finished!
हमें ऐसा लग रहा है कि अभी आ जाएगा.
मुझे लगा था कि आजू बाजू में रखा होगा इधर किधर ही, पर वो काफी दूर था. Then we see 2 local players coming.
वो लोग आई थिंक प्रोफेशनल प्लेयर है विद years of experience.
Yeah.
एंड उसमें लिखा है victory
is the way
out. मतलब आप अगर हार रहे हो, 4 घंटे भी खेल रहे हो और हार गए, that means you lose.
मतलब
जीत के ही निकलना है. I was
क्या कर रही
so
है?
nervous.
सिंपल ऐसा उठा के दे रही है. वो निंजा चाचा बन के मेरे को मार रहे, घना शॉट्स मार रहे. सांस फूल रही है यहाँ पे. Good shot.
Oh mercy.
God help me. मुझे सब नहीं खेलना है.
गया
ये टास्क तो हारने वाले हैं हम.
नजर लग गई सब.
And I somehow manage. पता नहीं मेरे अंदर क्या.
He was playing so well.
We won. Really? काफी घमासान युद्ध था और उसके बाद
हम जीत जाते हैं the third set. आज का दिन ऐसे सुकून से सोएंगे और कल फिर से टास्क रेडी होता है.
See you, bye.
In my head, I'm like, okay, we can call it a day now. And then Frank tells me, there's another challenge. And then I meet Vanessa and she tells me that she's going to be taking me paddle boarding in the middle of the lake. We're going to do yoga on a paddle board. And you know, you have this moment when you're able to just reach the flow state and you're able to just like zero in on your energies and just like focus. But I find that moment of zen, and it's suddenly so easy. And just like that, my task was over. And literally just now, I'm at a point that even if I win or lose, this day and just doing these tasks and completing the task and doing things that I never thought I can do
We're all right, we're all right.
is a personal victory for myself. So I'm happy, man.
हमसे तो ना हो पाएगा.
Welcome to the adventure capital of Europe.
In Schweiz.
In Schweiz.